This question implies the idea that coincidence is born out of randomness, and therefore we have no control over it, and therefore we have no role in it, and therefore it imposes or impinges on our free will. Coincidence, how we normally use the term, can either mean some form of randomness, or it can mean some form of meaningful alignment. So when we think about randomness, essentially what we're saying is that we can't see through the chain or the entire chain of cause and effect. And because we can't see through the entire chain of cause and effect, something happens and then we call that random, or in this case, coincident. That doesn't mean to say that there wasn't a point in time when we expressed free will, but that's not something that we can connect with the effect that we are experiencing now. And coincidence can also link to a concept called synchronicity, which is essentially when we observe some form of alignment which we see as meaningful. So two things coming together, and we don't see them as just random. We see them as something like the stars aligning, as we might say. So that form of the word synchronicity reflects that. But even in that context, none of that contradicts the idea of free will, because free will happens over an infinite period of time, and I'm constantly expressing my free will in the choices that I make. And there is no way, because of the infinite number of